Customer gave us a call, they're backing up, and they have some stank water pulling up in their yard. I'm going to start by finding the septic tank. The inlet lid should be right here. Dug that up, and now the outlet should be right here. Time to dig that up. That smelly black dirt right there is telling me that the septic tank has been leaking out through that lid. Popped open the inlet side and I was greeted by a surprise. I guess I unclogged the septic tank just now. Now the reason it's overflowing like this and has been leaking out of the second lid is because the drainfield's saturated. Popped open the outlet side lid and you can see the outlet pipe is underwater. That should not be underwater. There's even water flowing back in from the drainfield. I'm gonna get this septic tank pumped down, then bring in the crust buster to mix up a poop smoothie. Smells like money. The forbidden whirlpool. We're gonna follow up with the customer and see what exactly is causing this drainfield failure. Is there biomat buildup? Is there a water leak in the home? I could see a slight trickle, so it might be a water leak. We'll find out.